Hello my dear student, today we study about value and zeros of a quadratic polynomials. In previous class we study about how can find the factors by common factors method, identities method and by splitting the middle term method. But in this class study about value and zeros of a polynomials. First we see what is the meaning of value of quadratic polynomial or linear polynomial. What is the meaning of value of polynomial? Suppose we take an example. Of polynomials px equal to 3x plus 2. Px equal to 3x plus 2. When we put the value of x any number, any number, so what is the value of this polynomial is known as the value of the polynomial. Suppose we put the value of x equal to 1 in px. Suppose we put the value of x equal to 1 in px equal to 3x plus 2. Then p1 at x equal to 1 equal to 3, यहाँ रखेंगे 1 plus 2. Then 3 1 जा 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 is the value of px at x equal to 1. 5 is the value of px at x equal to 1. अगर हम x की जगह हम 1x का वैल्यू 1 रखते हैं तो 3x plus 2 मीन्स px का वैल्यू 5 मिलता है. उसी को हम बोलते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. सपोज here x equal to minus 1. So px equal to यहाँ क्या गया है 3x plus 2. When put the value of x equal to minus 1, the value of p minus 1 equal to 3 to minus 1 plus 2. Then 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the value of px at x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the value of px at x equal to minus 1. Suppose we take the quadratic polynomial. Px is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. So what is the value of p0 and p minus 1? So p0 is equal to 0 square plus 2 into 0 minus 1. 0 square means 0. 2 into 0 plus 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the value of px at x equal to 0. And the value of p minus 1. What is the value of p minus 1? Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square means 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 is the value of p minus 1 or px at x equal to minus 1. When we find the value of any polynomial at the particular value of x is known as the value of polynomial at x equal any number. हम किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल्स का जब वैल्यू निकालते हैं x को पुट करके उसी को हम बोलते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ एनी पॉलिनोमियल. It is very simple to find the value of quadratic polynomial. Zeros of quadratic polynomial. First we see the zeros of linear polynomial. Zeros of linear polynomial, suppose example px is equal to 2x plus 2. Which value we have to put here x? हम x का कौन सा वैल्यू पुट करें कि 2x plus 2 का वैल्यू टोटल क्या हो जाए 0. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज नोन एज 0 ऑफ द लिनियर पॉलिनोमियल. हम यहाँ पर x का क्या वैल्यू पुट करें कि 2x plus 2 का टोटल वैल्यू क्या हो जाए 0 हो जाए. तो वही क्या कहलाएगा x इज इक्वल टू is the zeros of the linear polynomial 2x plus 2, which value of x when we putting or put here the value of 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. How can solve this question? हम इसका zeros कैसे निकालेंगे? हम x का वैल्यू क्या पुट करें कि 2x plus 2 का zeros हमको मिल जाए. When we find the zeros of 2x plus 2, we equate 2x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to minus 2. Then x equal to minus 2 upon 2 equal to minus 1. When put x equal to minus 1, the value of px at x equal to minus 1 is 0. Suppose put the value of minus 1, then 2 minus 1 plus 2, then 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So the value of px at x minus 1 equal to 0, 0. So at x equal to minus 1 of is known as zeros of linear polynomial. Px is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. What is the value when put in px? What is the value of x when we put in px the value of x square minus 6x plus 9 0? The value of x is known as the zeros of quadratic polynomial. हम x की जगह क्या पुट करें कि x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 9 का वैल्यू क्या हो जाए यहाँ पर 0 हो जाए. सपोज हम x इक्वल टू 1 करके देखते हैं. x इक्वल टू 1 तो p1 इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 9. देन p1 इक्वल क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 6 इंटू 1 प्लस 9. देन 1 स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 माइनस 6 वन 6 प्लस 9. देन 1 माइनस 6 माइनस 5 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 4. हमको यहाँ 0 नहीं मिला. सो x इक्वल टू 1 इज द नॉट zeros ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. अगर यहाँ पर 0 मिलता तो हम बोलते हैं कि x स्क्वायर 1 इज द zeros ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. सपोज वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 3. तो px इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 9. Put the value of x equal to 3. 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. 3 square 9 minus 6 3 जा 18 plus 9. 9 minus 18 minus 9 minus 9 plus 9 0. The value of px at x equal to 3 is 0. So we can say that x equal to 3 is the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9. One find 0 of the following. First 9x plus 3 upon 2, b 4ax plus 3, c minus 9m minus 4. So how can find the 0 of first polynomial a, second polynomial b, third polynomial c? 0 means what is the value we have to put in 9x. What is the value of x we have to put in 9x plus 3 upon 2. We get their value will be 0. सो हम इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सॉल्व वी इक्वेट दिस इक्वल टू 0. 9x plus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. We solve this equation. 9x इक्वल टू -3/2 प्लस 3/2 हो जाए क्या हो जाएगा माइनस, सो 0 माइनस 3/2 माइनस 3/2, सो x इक्वल टू -3/2 divided by 9, so x equal to -3/2 into 1/9, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, so x equal to -1/2, 3 is 6, so -1/6 is the zero of 9x plus 3/2. Second B question देखते हैं. 4ax plus 3, here 4ax plus 3, here x is variable and constant. 4ax plus 3, here suppose x is variable then a is constant. When a is variable then x is constant, but in this question x is variable, a is a constant. So what is the value of x? When you put in this polynomial we get their value is 0. So क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से? How can solve this? 4ax equal to 0 minus 3 implies that 4ax is 3, then implies that find the value of x, minus 3 upon 4a. Minus 3 upon 4a is 0 of 4ax plus 3. When we put the value of x equal to minus 3 upon 4a in this 4ax plus 3, we get their value be 0. Next, in minus 9m minus 4 we find the zeros. Minus 9m minus 4, minus 9m minus 4 equal to 0. We got this 0. So implies that minus 9m equal to minus 4, 0 plus 4, so 4, and implies that m equal to 4 upon minus 9, then m equal to minus 4 upon 9. So minus 4 upon 9 is the zero of minus 9m minus 4. Problem number 23. Find the zeros of the polynomial x is to minus 3x minus 4. So how can find the zeros of quadratic equation x is to minus 3x minus 4? When we find the zeros of the polynomial of quadratic polynomial, so we first find the factors, then after we find the zeros. If we know the factor of the polynomial, then we find the zeros of the polynomial also. So first we find the factor of this quadratic polynomial by using splitting the middle terms. Solve x square minus 3x minus 4 on comparing x square minus 3x minus 4 with ax square plus bx plus c. We get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 4, and the product of a into c, a and c is 1 into minus 4 equal to minus 4. So we split minus 3 into two parts. Their sum is minus 3 and their product is minus 4. So how can I split minus 3 into two parts? First to find the factors of 4. Factors of 4 raw work. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Here sum is minus 3 and product is minus 4. It means इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है और सेकंड नंबर नेगेटिव. ये तो फर्स्ट नंबर नेगेटिव और सेकंड नंबर पॉजिटिव, बट सम इज माइनस 3. प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव है और सम माइनस नेगेटिव है. इसका मतलब कि बड़ा नंबर नेगेटिव होगा और छोटा नंबर पॉजिटिव होगा. 2 1 जा 2 पॉजिटिव हुआ, एक नेगेटिव कर दे. -2 into 1 -2 नहीं हो रहा है. देन -2 4 into 1, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, and minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. So minus 4 and 1 are the two required parts of minus 3. Look at this. X square minus 3x minus 4, x square minus, so first we write plus, minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 into x minus 4. माइनस 3 का वैल्यू रख रहे हैं माइनस 4 प्लस 1, ये माइनस इसलिए हम पहले प्लस ले लेते हैं, इक्वल एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 1 इंटू x नॉट 1x minus 4. We find the common factors in x square minus 4x, x minus 4, x and minus 4. What is the common factor? Here no common factor, so the common factor is plus 1, x minus 1. x minus 4 में कोई common factor नहीं, इसका मतलब 0 नहीं है, यहाँ पर 1 है, वही राइट 1 इंटू x minus 4, x इंटू एक्स माइनस 4 प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स माइनस 4, इसमें क्या कॉमन है, x माइनस 4 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1. x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the required factors, but we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So we equate with 0. X minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of x square minus 3x minus 4, but we have to find the zeros. So how can find the 0? X minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. x minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0 कब होगा? जब x minus 4 का वैल्यू भी 0 हो और x plus 1 का वैल्यू भी 0 हो. So x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0, we write. Then x minus 4 equal to 0, so x equal to 0 plus 4 और x equal to 0 plus 1 जाके मैं इधर हो जाए माइनस, so x equal to 4 और x equal to minus 1. When we put the x equal to 4 in px, x square minus 3x minus 4, we get 0. When we put the value of x equal to minus 1 in x square minus 3x minus 4 is 0. Therefore x equal to 4 or 1 are the zeros of x square minus 3x minus 4. The factors of any quadratic polynomial, then we find zeros of quadratic polynomial. अगर हमको फैक्टर्स पता है तो हम जीरोस निकाल सकते हैं. Suppose we know the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then we can also find their factors. अगर हमको फैक्टर्स पता है तो जीरोस निकाल सकते हैं, अगर हमको जीरोस पता है तो हम फैक्टर्स निकाल सकते हैं. Suppose see the example. Question number 1. Find the factors and zeros of a polynomial x square minus 9. x square minus 9 का हम पहले फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे, उसके बाद जीरो. But how can find the factors and zero? X square minus 9 in x square minus 9 having two terms. X square is the square of x and 9 is the square of 9. So x square minus 9 in this polynomial we compare to third identities, a square minus b equal to a plus b into a minus b. X square minus 9 is equal to x square minus 3 square. So we can write this x minus 3, x square minus 3 square, x plus 3 into x minus 3. The value of a equal to x and the value of b equal to 3. So we write x plus 3 into x minus 3. X plus 3 and x minus 3 are the factors of this polynomial, but you find the zeros. These are factors and quotient zeros. X plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Then x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3 or x equal to 3. So x equal minus 3 and x equal to 3 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9. Question number 2. What will be the factors of the polynomials if their zeros are 4, minus 1, 3 upon 2 and minus 2? पहले क्वेश्चन हम देखेंगे कि अगर फैक्टर दिया है तो हम जीरो निकाल सकते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में जीरोस दिया है तो हम फैक्टर भी निकाल सकते हैं. What will be the factors of polynomials if their zeros are a 4 a question number a 4 and minus 1, question number b 3 upon 2 and minus 2. So first we solve a. Question number a, zeros are 4 and minus 1. Suppose we take the variable x, so equate x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 1. If we transpose this 4 to left hand side, x minus 4 equal to 0 or x transpose minus 1 left hand side, x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So we write x minus 4 to x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of the polynomial. Their zeros are 4 and minus 1. Question number b, 3 upon 2 and minus 2 are zeros of a polynomial. Then x equal to 3 upon 2 or x equal to minus 2. Then we transpose this 3 upon 2 left hand side. 3 x minus 3 upon 2 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 3 upon 2 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 3 upon into x plus 2 are factors of polynomial. Their zeros are 3 upon 2 and minus 2. Thank you for watching the video. In next class with the next topic.